Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be organizing my bathroom closet right here. This is actually my kids' bathroom and this closet is just a mess. There's not a whole lot in it right now. Here, I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So, okay, I lied. There's quite a bit of stuff in here and that definitely needs to be washed down there. That is my laundry basket, or the kids' laundry basket. So this is what I'm going to be working with today. There is no rhyme or reason for anything in here at this point. I think once upon a time it used to be organized, but now I just have an old shower curtain, got some toilet paper over here. I just have like kid stuff all right here and then some towels. Yeah, it's just kind of a catch-all for everything in the bathroom. But before I get started, I wanted to let you guys know that today's video is going to be in collaboration with Haley Page, and there is a big chance that you guys have already heard of her. She has an awesome channel. She has a huge following, and you guys should definitely join in if you're not already. I will have her information in the description box below. That way you can go and check out her closet organization video whenever you're done with my video. And I'm gonna go ahead and insert a clip of her real quick, and then we're gonna go ahead and get back to my video. So Haley is a beautiful mom of a little girl, and she is also pregnant with another little one on the way. She does a lot of mommy vlogs, cleaning videos, organizational videos, and I just know that you guys would love her channel. So don't forget to check out the link in my description box below when you're done with my video and head on over to Haley's channel. I'm going to show you guys what we're going to be using to organize this closet. Everything that I have gotten is from the Dollar Tree, and it is going to be less than $10 to completely redo this closet. And when I'm done, I hope that it looks so much better. It makes me feel so much better to have a nice organized space, and this is one of the probably many spaces in my house that need to be organized. So less than $10 is pretty good, and I'm hoping in my head I have an idea of what I want this to look like, and it's gonna look pretty darn good for just $10. So first of all, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be using. This is surprisingly from the dollar store. It is contact paper, and look how pretty this is. It's just a simple black and white floral print, and I thought, how pretty is that for $1? So hopefully this will be enough to do these small little areas in my cabinet. But I like how contact paper just kind of gives you know, closets just a little bit extra, makes them look a little bit prettier. So that was only $1 at the Dollar Tree. And then I got a whole bunch of baskets here. So I'm definitely going to be staying with a white theme. So I got two of these size right here. I got some of these regular clear Rubbermaid boxes because I thought I could put labels on them if I need to. I have a label maker, so I could use those if I wanted to. And then of course the lids just came with them. And then these, I got two of these right here, these medium size ones. And then I got 3 of the bigger size ones right here. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all of that for $10. I'm gonna start by taking everything out of here and setting it over here. This is a very small bathroom, so I'm gonna do my best to kind of get everything out of here and start from scratch.
On repeat, I will break like a twig right under your feet. Don't you say that you didn't want me, you turned me.
Okay, so here is the space that I'm working with here, and then I've got the laundry basket down here, which is just gonna stay. I've got the laundry basket and a plunger, and those two are just gonna stay right there because there's really nowhere else that I can put those, and I just need to do some laundry, so let's just completely disregard that. But I'm gonna be working with these shelves right here. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelves. I'm gonna go ahead and start by using the contact paper to cover the shelves here. I'm just gonna kind of rough estimate it. I'm gonna grab a pencil and some scissors and go ahead and line the bottom shelves.
Hey, now you know you have to decide, and you gotta tell me what's on your mind. Wait a while, you gotta take a deep breath. I can make you smile when I let you into my bed and under my skin. But where will it end if I let it begin? It's trick or treat. You know life's too short, so let's not waste another minute. Hey, it's alright now. Listen to such a beautiful sound. Hey, it's alright now, but I don't know if I can take another go round. How come I feel we're under attack? Like they're trying to pull us back. We're the only ones who really know which way to go. Hey, it's alright now. Listen, it's such a beautiful sound. Hey, it's alright now, but I don't know if I can take another go round.
Okay, so the good news is that it is really easy to work with, a lot easier than the one that I use for my kitchen. And I don't think it's the paper, I think it's just the shelving. These shelves are really small and easy to work with. The bad news is that that roll only covered 2 shelves. So I'm going to have to go back to the dollar store and get another one so that I can do this shelf. And this shelf, I'm not gonna do that one because you can't see the top of it, so it's kind of pointless. So I'm gonna have to grab one more of these to do this. But in the meantime, I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna organize my stuff and put it in there, and then I will show you the end result with all of the liners and everything in a little bit. Okay, so what I did with these size baskets is I went ahead and put towels in them. I would have used the bigger ones, except that they're not long enough, so I'm glad that I got 2 of these. Most of the towels in my kids' bathroom are a little bit smaller than usual towels because they're those little hooded ones. And then Carter and Sydney use the bigger size ones, but these each hold about 3 or 4 towels. So I'm gonna put these in there and just use these size to hold towels. I may grab one more when I have to go back to the dollar store, but we'll see. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys how I am going to label these little baskets that I got from the dollar store, or boxes, or whatever you want to call them. I'm just using my Dymo label maker, and no, this is not sponsored or anything. It's kind of dirty, but I love this thing. This is how I label most of my stuff, and you just use your phone. It's got an app, and then you just type in like whatever you want here. So I just printed off one that said body products. You could type in like baby stuff, baby supplies, whatever, and then you hit OK, and then the printer button, and print it out, and then it comes right out of here, and just like that, easy as that. So I did mine in all caps, so it comes out a little bit bigger. I've got washcloths, hair products, and body products, but
from my window, sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet.
So for this basket, I'm gonna put bathtub toys in it. these always are everywhere in the bathtub, and I thought that this would be just like a nice easy basket to just throw all these little toys in and then leave them in here. After they're done, I can just put them in this basket, let them dry off a little bit, and then put them back in there. So yeah, this is going to be the toy basket. For this other bin, I'm going to be putting our Crane humidifier in there, as well as some extra tubing for Carter's nebulizer. He has asthma, so this stuff we have to keep up in the closet. So this is the nebulizer, and then the humidifier. We don't have to use these all the time. It's usually just in the like the fall and winter months. So for most of the year, they're kind of just stored in the bathroom. So I'm just gonna set them on the highest shelf. All right guys, so I am done organizing and just redoing this bathroom closet. It looks so much better, and I did it for super cheap on a budget, and it was really fun. I really enjoy organizing things for whatever reason. So I'm gonna show you guys the final product. So this is what it looks like. It looks so much better. I can see everything so much better. Everything has a place. I have the humidifier and the nebulizer equipment up there. I went ahead and made a label for that one. And then I have Cash's bath chair right there. And then I've got buckets for towels. I have the washcloth bin, the body product bin, and then the hair products bin, which yes, we have like, these are Sydney's hairbrushes. She has like 5 because she loses them all the time. They're always in somebody's car. And then I have this little bucket of toilet paper, and then I have all the bath toys, and then of course the laundry basket down here. And the contact paper seemed to work pretty well. I wasn't like perfect with it, so there's a few spots that have air bubbles, but they're pretty easy to just kind of push out. But I thought it gave it just a little bit of a nicer touch. Like, it just looks really pretty. So that is it for my organized closet. I feel so accomplished and so much better now that everything has a place, and it just looks so pretty. Alright guys, that is it for my dollar store bathroom organization project. I hope you all enjoyed it, and maybe it gave you a little bit of motivation to declutter and organize your own bathroom cabinet or closet. And don't forget to check out Haley Page's closet organization video. Just like mine, she also did a dollar store closet organization video, so don't forget to check out hers. The link will be in my description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys all in my next vlog. Bye.